So I'm going to introduce you to our hyaluronic eye complex. We're using our hyaluronic acid from fermented bacteria, but this time we're using a low molecular weight hyaluronic acid. Basically, that means that it's a smaller molecule that will really penetrate our delicate eye area. Now, we thought of something really quite clever, and it now comes with this beautiful, very clever rollerball. What this allows us to do is apply the product without applying too much pressure to the eye area. We don't want to rub the eyes too much. It's very, very delicate. But it also allows you to take some time to slow down and follow this fantastic eye massage. So we're going to take the rollerball and we're going to roll it around the eye in a figure of 8. This is a slow massage. Take the time. Now, this massage can be done at the end of the day, the beginning of the day, but almost take your rollerball product with you, and you could sit at an office, at your desk. I'm just going around the eye 3 times, one of them to the other eye. You could do this on the tube, on the train, on your daily commute, sat watching the telly. And I'm going to use the rollerball now to apply and follow sort of some acupressure points. So we're just going to work under the eye. And as I apply pressure, I'm just going to gently pump for 3. 1, 2, 3. Glide out. 1, 2, 3. Glide out. 1, 2, 3. Keep the pressure light. Now, this is really going to help with any dark circles under the eye, any skin puffiness around the eye. It will make you feel more awake. Keep the eye area super hydrated. I think we sometimes forget how important the eye area is, and it gets missed out a little bit. I repeat this 3 times. Out onto the eye. I'm going to work down the nose. Now, this is quite nice if we're feeling a bit sinus orientated. So falling down, almost resting where your glasses or sunglasses would sit. And you pump 1, 2, 3. Down to the groove of the nose. You'll find the rollerball will just gently sort of sit into this groove naturally. 1, 2, 3. Then you're coming underneath and almost lifting up a little bit under another groove. 1, 2, 3. And glide out then under the cheekbone. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, where the sunglasses would sit. Groove of the nose. 1, 2, 3, and lifting up. Great if you're suffering with a bit of a cold. Great if you're on a long haul flight. Take your rollerball with you and sit on the aeroplane and do this. You'll make everybody jealous that's sat around you. They all want to have a go. Going up now under the eyebrow, along the brow bone. Don't go onto the eyelid, it's too delicate. So we're just going and working under the brow. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Creating a little bit of a lift there. You'll find the texture of this product is so beautiful. It just penetrates really, really quickly. A lot of eye creams can feel too heavy around the eye. You can almost get a sticky eye, or your eye can sort of start to water. The serum penetrates really, really quickly, which is exactly what we want it to do. Get in there and get its job done. So I'm just going to go under the brow bone one more time. And that completes one eye. Linking up to the other eye, and I'm going to repeat those movements. So we're going to work a lot underneath. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice and gentle, not too much pressure at all. Coming in again. 1, 2, 3. Don't be sharing your rollerball with anybody either, because it's really important with regards to cross-contamination. So it's your rollerball, and keep it to yourselves. And again, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you're almost working with your acupressure, but a little bit of lymphatic drainage as well. Side of the nose, so where your sunglasses would sit. 1, 2, 3. Groove of your nose, just there. 1, 2, 3. And to the side, just where your cheekbone starts. Little groove there. 1, 2, 3. Under the cheekbone. and out. We're going to work under the brow bone now. So lifting slightly, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and out. Finish with a figure of 8, just around the eyes for product application. And then I recommend you just smooth any of that excess in. It's really important to use your ring finger. You can't apply as much pressure with your ring finger. If you're using your index, you'll find that that's too heavy. So use your ring finger to just smooth around the eye area. A little bit of depotement to finish off and allow that serum to penetrate to the deeper layers.